Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for watching to my presentation. It is the great to see you, and let me introduce myself. My name is Stefania Lali Muhibba with the study number 20530025, and the purpose of the presentation is enriching vocabularies to children, short stories, EFL student perception. Background of the study: enriching English vocabularies to children, short story in EFL perception. Vocabulary has an important role in English. This is one of the elements related to the skill of speaking, listening, reading, and writing. In teaching English to increase vocabulary in children, the most important factor in the increasing mastery of the skill can be mastered if children still lack vocabulary. Then we as teacher must have increased interesting ideas to the motivate children to increase vocabulary. Therefore, children must be provide strong motivation to students in learning English as a foreign language, because without motivation it is impossible for students to learn well, and must have good strategies or media in the teaching and learning process in the classroom, especially teaching verbal English vocabulary by using short stories in the form of fiction. They will find vocabulary that is foreign to them, and thought it children will learn, and they will be interested in the reading. There are many strategies and media for teaching and developing EFL's learning vocabulary. Vocabulary is a list of words and their meaning, especially in book for learning a foreign language. Such stories have a positive effect on students because using such story is one of the best way to increase EFL vocabulary. Learners can become more independent by increasing their vocabulary with the short stories. This aim to determine the effect of short story that can enrich student vocabulary skill. Research question: how is the perception of EFL student about using children's short stories to enrich student vocabulary? Vocabulary knowledge enables EFL learners to establish and achieve good communication, which is the main goal of any foreign language teaching and learning. Knowledge of vocabulary also help EFL learners to explore the beauty of language. Talk new word. Knowledge of vocabulary also helps EFL learners to compare and contrast foreign and native language. In this regard, it can also help in understanding the similarities and differences between the two languages, and help in learning the language in the true sense of the term by understanding the language system of both languages. The best thing about using stories is the entertaining effect, which means that students can learn something with the pleasure and of the course. It can affect vocabulary mastery in a student who will also develop because of the large number of vocabulary in the short story they read. Objective of the study: the study aims to reveal how the working of short story media can influence in enriching their vocabulary. Significances of the study. For the first, for student, it is expected that students using short story can make students interested in learning and add vocabulary easily so that their abilities will increase. For the second, for teacher, this is expected that teacher can facilitate learning by using short stories to enrich student vocabulary in an easy and interesting way so that they can increase student vocabulary as well as for literacy. And the third, for the research. It is expected this research can be a reference in the further research, especially research with the same topic. Scope and limitation of the study. The scope in this research is any discussion about and teaching English vocabularies to children, short story, EFL, student perception. The limitation is in the discussion of the application of fiction genre, short stories, media to enrich vocabulary. Literature review. Theoretical framework. For the first, vocabulary. Vocabulary is a variety of language skills that have an important function for the young learners learning foreign language. And the second, importance of vocabulary for EFL learners. The importance of learning vocabulary is that it can develop EFL learners in speaking and writing. The third is short story. The use of short story has many positive impact in teaching and learning process, which make students more influential in learning vocabulary. And the fourth is children's literature. Children's literature is one of the best intervention strategies on pedagogies for the development of the children's literacy. There are several related previous studies which are comparable to this study. There are several previous studies related to the short story analysis that can enrich student vocabulary as quoted in Morodin and Fave 2016, conducting the research on the effect using short stories on improving EFL student vocabulary comprehension skills, and with those studies comparing to Paramita in 2018 with the title The Use of English Short Story to Enrich Student Vocabulary Mastery. Study approach. This research uses qualitative research. One of justification for using qualitative techniques is the research familiarity with this method to discover and understand what lies behind phenomena that may be difficult to fully understand. The subject of this research is teaching English vocabulary to young learners through short stories. Short stories are an effective way to learn vocabulary in the context of the EFL. With the use of short stories, the teacher can create different contexts in which students have a use language to communicate, exchange information, and express their ideas, and can encourage certain physiological operation and intellectual factor that can improve communication, improve self-efficacy, motivation, and increase the spontaneity of the vocabulary learning. Data and source data. The data in this study are in the form of statement. The statements are taken from interview and observation. Source of data are transcript of the interview with the several subjects and report of the observation. Whole subject are children from the same class. Then I think enough for this, and thank you very much, and thanks for watching.